Hello students, today we will discuss how to add graphics to your Excel sheet. Firstly, in graphics we will learn how to create the spark lines related to your data in the worksheet. Excel 2016 sports a special type of information that is called as spark line. It represents trends or variations in the collected data. Spark lines are tiny graphs, generally about the size of the text that surrounds them. You can see in the Insert tab, you are having sparkline group and you are having three options here, that is line, column, win or loss. If we talk about the line, it represents the relative value of the selected worksheet area. The other one is column. Column where the selected worksheet data is represented by tiny columns. The other one is win or loss, where the selected worksheet data appears as a win or loss chart. Wins are represented by blue squares and the other one will be represented as the red squares. We will take the example in practical of a line spark. If you press this, it will ask you what will be your data range. You have selected this one. When you press OK, the spark line for your data is represented by this line. This line is showing you that for the first output, you are having the high value. It is going to decrease and then it is stable. Look, it is displayed in your data that your value is firstly increased and then it is decreased and it is going to be stable. So these are the spark lines that represent your data value. The other thing which we can do is how to add the text boxes into your graphs. If you're having graph for this data, let's select this data and you are having the graphs here, the chart like this graph. Yes. Now we will see that how you add a text box in this chart. You're having a format tab here and you're having insert shapes. There is an option to add a text box. Whenever you're going to do this, the text box is added to it. You can write here anything. Look. If you don't select the graph and you want to create a text box here, the other way to do is you just go to insert and you're having an option of shapes. You can also have this value here, that is text box. So there are the two ways from which you can add a text box to your existing chart. Now we will go further by adding graphics, and the graphics are pictures. How to add pictures to your sheet. In the Insert tab, you're having an option of illustrations, and in that you're having two command buttons, that is pictures and online pictures. If you want to have the online pictures, then you just click on this command button and it will ask you whether you want to have Bing image search or you want to have your personal drive images. So these are two options in front of you for insert any picture. Now for the local pictures, you click on this command button. It will ask you to get the pictures from your PC. Whenever you select any picture, just press insert and you can see your picture here. Now we will see how to edit these pictures. This is the format tab in the conceptual tab of picture tool. You can remove its background. You're having a correction. It is to improve the brightness or contrast of your picture. It is the color. You want to change the color of your picture. Look, you're having so many shades for your picture here. The other one is if you want to give any artistic effect to your picture, you can compress your picture, you can change picture, reset picture, picture border, picture effects. In picture border, you can give the border to your picture. Now this icon is to rotate your picture via right or via left. Yes. This is to crop your picture to height and width. So you can change the designing of your downloaded picture. It can be from your local computer or it can be from online. So this is the way how you play with the pictures in the area that you select in the worksheet. Now we have an option of when you deselect this picture, yes, you have an option of grouping and ungrouping your pictures as well as your charts. Whenever you insert any shape like this is the shape. Now when you select your shape and you right click here, you can also bring front or back. You're having two options here, that you want to send your shape back or you want to send your shape in front of the image. If you select it, you send this back, then this image will be, the shape will be go back to your picture. Otherwise it is on your picture. You can see the difference. Now you are also having the option of grouping and ungrouping your pictures and image. You just press Ctrl and click. You also Ctrl and click. Now you right click here and you have the option here to group and ungroup. When you select both the pictures, then you are having the option here group or ungroup. If you select the ungroup, then these both images will be seen by you, that will be ungrouped. When you click the group, they will be seen by you as the grouped images. Here is the option for group and ungroup your images. So these are the odd things, that how to create the graphics into your Excel sheet, how to customize them, how to delete them, how to edit them. Thank you.